Good morning. So today we're just having some French toast. I don't know why, I just like woke up and I felt like making French toast. I was in a little bit of a rush because I'm going to get my nails done. I'm on my way out. Yeah, I'm gonna go now, and then I think afterwards I'll maybe eat something before I just work out, but I'll see you guys soon. Guys, I finished getting my nails done. We're going grocery shopping now. My phone's gonna die. It's 1%, but look how cute! We just finished from the grocery store, but it was so weird because everything's supposed to be like closed here, and they were like rushing us out. Okay, no one actually knows what time they closed though, because like people were still there. It was weird, but anyways, yeah, that's Lebanon for you. I'm just kidding. I just got home. It's 9:30. But I just wanted to show you guys what we got at the grocery store. I think this is just like all brand bread or something like that. I saw this new bread that I've never seen before there. Bread that's like high in protein, high in fibers. It just got a bunch of seeds in it, and it looks really good to have like just put some yogurt on top of it, and like, yeah. Like yogurt, like leaven, you know, like, yeah, okay. I got these noodles randomly because I was like, I don't know why I was craving them a bit. I've never made them in my life, but I was apparently craving them. Okay. This pasta sauce to try out. My cousin loves this pasta sauce, like a spicier marinara sauce. I got a dairy milk. I got a bubbly dairy milk, and then I got another one of those dairy milks. And then I also needed chocolate, and this is the only like grocery store that sells really good chocolate. Bueno Kinder and Bueno Kinder Dark for me and my husband. My husband got some more chocolates here, and then I got a Bounty chocolate. And then we also got teriyaki sauce for that noodle. We didn't like go actual proper grocery shopping, but we just needed like a few things, and we were like, might as well over here. I think we're just gonna end off the night with watching an episode of this show that we watch, and then I'm gonna go to bed. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Also, the nails, I didn't talk about them, but they're so cute. I love them so much. I normally don't add any like extensions to my nails, and they're pretty short, so I wanted to like do something that like complements my short nails, but not like putting anything on them, but because literally it destroys my nails when I do that. So just did that, and I really love them. Want to take a video? You want to show them all our new Tupperwares? Show them our new Tupperwares. morning, guys. So today I feel like I'm wearing the same pajamas in every video. That's not great, but I'm just kidding. Don't worry, I washed them, okay? So I was just writing down the things that I have to get done today, and I think I'm just gonna take up the morning to do like the stuff that I have to do for one class. This one class, I just want to like get all my readings done for the week. I want to get some notes done, like not notes, but like Anki notes, so like just doing my flashcards, and then also reviewing my flashcards, and I think I'll just take a break at that point. But right now, I think I'm just gonna focus on having my breakfast, chilling out a little bit before we start all the work for the day. I'm a little bit hesitant about putting this part in the video because I'm planning a little surprise. Can you believe this breakout? The audacity to come on my face. So I don't know if I should put this in the video or not. I might not, but my husband doesn't usually watch my videos, so that's why I'm like, I can probably put this in the video. But I'm planning to do a little surprise thing on Valentine's, like decorate and stuff like that, and I just asked this guy about like if they have the balloons. I don't know if you guys know this, but it's pretty difficult here in Lebanon to like find what you need. Like, I don't know, it's just not as easy as like when you're living out of country. But I asked him if he has like the heart-shaped balloons, because I really want to do the idea where you like have balloons hanging from the ceiling. I'm going to now have my coffee. I'm gonna see what he said about the balloons now. Okay, he says he has them and they're 18 inches, which is like, how much is that? 45.7 centimeters. Okay. That's big. That's pretty big. What the heck? أنا عايزتهم ل 14 الشهر. Great, that's good stuff. Okay, because I couldn't find them anywhere for a reasonably priced amount, so I'm gonna ask him how much they are. Let's just get to reviewing because I've been talking so much. Do you ever just have like this long list of stuff that you need to do and you're like, that's me right now. Honestly, if I'm being honest, I seem okay, but this list is like low-key giving me some anxiety vibes right here. I can cross off breakfast. So basically we're going to review my multicultural counseling class. We have 78 cards to review today. Alright guys, I just finished up reviewing. I am going to now make a few new cards. I don't know why my laptop's not charging. I've been sitting for a long time. I try to like get up and stretch a little bit. I know like my back and my butt start hurting a lot when I'm like sitting for a long time. But it's good to just like get up every now and then and do that. Let's get back to work. Also, side note, but if anybody knows of really good psych books, like psychology related books, let me know in the comments. I just finished up making my Anki cards or my flashcards for the last 3 chapters, and then now I'm gonna make some more cards for the last lecture. Right, I am checking those off of my list. Great, so we just have the readings left to do for this class. Alright guys, so I just finished up my studying and like reviewing and writing cards and all that good stuff. I'm now going to make this. I made this in my last video, but right now I'm gonna make this ashla. It's like a whipped cream kind of thing that you put in desserts. So I'm gonna make that right now because later I'm gonna make an actual dessert with this. It's kind of like phyllo dough or phyllo dough, however you say it. I'll show you guys it. I made it on my channel before, but right now I'm just gonna get the whipped cream part ready. I'm not gonna have time to like do everything right now, but I'm just gonna. I also want to make lunch. I think I'm just gonna make chicken burgers, but instead of like burger bread, I'm just gonna use like regular bread because we don't have burger bread. If anyone cares to know how to do this, I'm just taking a cup of whipping cream, or like half and half cream you can use, I guess. And then I'm gonna fill this cup with milk and pour that in there. The saucepan's not on the heat yet, everything is cold, so just make sure that everything is cold. So this is like 4 large spoons of cornstarch. No, we're gonna do 3 big spoons of cornstarch. And then we're gonna take 2 big spoons of sugar. I'm gonna take this orange blossom water. We're just gonna do like maybe a teaspoon. It's so potent that you really don't need that much of it. Squeeze of lemon in there too. I'm gonna get my spatula. I'm gonna stir that in while it's cold. I'm gonna stir everything together. Also, I didn't show you guys these last night, but all of those like Tupperwares and containers over there, I washed them this morning, but We got them last night from my dad's old house here. Yeah, it's like my grandparents' house, and my mom and my dad used to live in that house, and me obviously when I was younger. But my mom had like a bunch of Tupperwares in there, like containers that were like really good quality, and we were trying to find them. These are some of the ones that we found, so I just kind of washed them all up and stuff and brought them here. Yeah, it's a nice story. Anyway, right now I just put the heat on about like low, between low and medium kind of. That's where I'll be for the next like 10 minutes until it thickens up. Guys, it's starting to come together now. It's like pretty thick. It's thick, but it's not like thick because the thing that I noticed with this is like, hey, look at this. This is when it's literally just off the stove. See that? So it's thick, but it's not like as thick as when it becomes cold. So you have to let it cool and it actually becomes a little thicker. I'm gonna transfer it to this container here and leave the lid off of it so that it can cool. I'm so shaky from that workout that I don't even know if I can hold this camera off for long, but I'm literally just gonna finish off this protein bar. I opened it like a couple days ago, but I didn't end up finishing it. It's just like a cashew crispy bar. Breathing so heavily. I'm gonna cool down, and I'm just gonna cool down, and then I'm gonna shower. You guys can go on my Instagram and like save that workout if you ever want to do it. I really want to try to go for a walk. The weather here is just so beautiful, and I hadn't like been taking advantage of it earlier on. Probably the past month actually. I've just been like trying to walk as much as I can. Okay, I just got out of the shower. I put on my sunscreen, and you guys are literally on like a stack of things because I don't have a tripod. I put on my CeraVe sunscreen that has 30 SPF, and it has like a sheer tint in it. But it is like a bit of a dewy finish, and what I like to do is like take a napkin literally and just like dab the excess. Okay, after I do that, I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows actually. Okay, you guys have seen me fill in my eyebrows like a million times on my channel, so I just skipped that part for you guys. But I always use a NYX brow pencil in black, I think, yeah, black. I think for my eyes, I'm just gonna smoke out the lash line a little bit. The time that I use both black and brown together, it looked so nice. But I'm too lazy right now, so I'm just using brown. Okay. I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara on my cheeks, and the lighting changed, and on my nose a little bit. To be honest, I feel like I don't. Oh, it's nice. It's really nice and natural. Fill my lips in a little bit. The weather's being so weird. It's like really sunny 1 second and then just gets all gloomy. Here is my jean jacket. I might go for a short like 15-minute, 20-minute walk. The weather is actually really nice. Like I only need this jacket on top of my shirt. And yeah, the weather this year's been so warm. Like for winter, we've only had one day of snow, and it went away in like the same day. So it's been really nice. I think I'm gonna head back to my grandparents' house now. I did walk past their house and the gate was closed, so I'm not sure if they're sleeping or what, but we'll double check. So I just got back home and I'm currently putting away the dishes. I got some pasta in here. There we go. Really big bag of white kidney beans. I'm gonna put that in here too. I'm also about to cut this really big bag of rice and put it into its container. I also have this gigantic bag of lentils. It looks so good. Look at this. So nice and organized. I'm gonna also fill my little oil thing with just regular vegetable oil instead of always having to like pick this huge jug up. There. And then there's a cap for it. There we go. Cute. I'm about to make the little treats here, so I have no idea how this is gonna work. If I just, okay, I'm gonna try something here. So I'm gonna cut them in half. I'm gonna cut them in half again, but I don't know if that's too, because I think I want square shapes, so let's just work with this for now. Okay, now that I have these, you basically have your melted butter here, and you just want to put butter between the layers. Actually, guys, I forgot. This is the same thing that we were making yesterday. Different shape of dough. And then just press it like this. All right, so the last step is just to top them all off. I made exactly half of the dough. So remember, we cut it in half in the beginning. I made exactly half of that. So I just vacuumed and I am now doing the dishes. There's not a lot. There's not a lot, but I just wanted to get them out of the way so that, you know, when I eat and everything, there won't be that many dishes. Okay, I'm finally eating. I definitely should have eaten like closer to my workout, but I'm just going to cut up my chicken burger and put it on my sandwich. I decided to go for Caesar. I don't know, I think it's because we have the Caesar in the fridge and we have not tried it, so I'm gonna put a little bit because I'm not like the biggest fan. Tomato. I do have some lettuce here too. And it's just on this like wrap. I think it's just like a whole wheat wrap or something like that. Looking good. Okay guys, so I'm now moving on to my project like overview.
Played in it. And
well, I think other ways that I can have an impact.
Do a little haul. My husband got me sushi stuff because everything is closed and we can't find sushi anywhere. Nori, he got me the rice. Thank you! And the soy sauce. Mayonnaise. What the heck? How do you remember this stuff? He got me chocolate for baking. He's so cute.